Took the back cover off the dryer, and now I'm gonna take this front cover off. I've already taken the screws out. There's a couple of screws in the front. I've already got those off. There they are. So let's let this thing down. Pull it off if I can. There it is. Okay. And yes, there's a small amount of lint underneath there that's gotten out of the gaskets. But it looks to me like this is a self-contained blower, and it ducts up to this filter. But I was looking in here, and I know you can't see it. I'll get some light where you can see inside there. Look down in there, guys. That's the reason you got to clean these things out. It goes past the lint filter, slips down the side of it, and I've got to vacuum all this stuff out. See all that down in that crevice? See all that in that area? How I got that past that filter, I don't know. I clean the filter all the time, and I constantly clean it out. But this is the reason you've got to clean that thing periodically. So you have a coil in that area there, and lint, if it gets down to that coil, it could cause a fire, and that's a bad thing. That's a terrible thing, and it does mess with the efficiency of the dryer. It can't breathe. If the heater box thermal cutoff is open, to remove blower wheel whole mower. Tell you what I'm going to do with this, guys. I've got a deal, and I saw this earlier. I'm going to find me a smaller cardboard center, and you can mash it like you want to. Mash it down like you want to, and you can get access in all these small crevices. And I'm going to take this in the back, and I'm going to put my vacuum cleaner in here, and I'm going to vac it out. And this gets me access down through all the little crevices and pipes, and gets down in there, and I'm able to vacuum that stuff out. And stay tuned. So it has 3 screws in the front right here. I'm going to take these 3 screws off. It also has 3 screws, or 2 screws, or 2 or 3 screws in the back. I'm going to take those off. That little screen has some wires in it too in the back. So anyway, got it off, got these off. Let me get you down here where you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. Takes me a little while to get everything lined up. You see all that mess in there? See that stuff? It's terrible, guys. You gotta get it out. So let's get it out. Alright, this basket, I got everything as low as I could get it down there. Hard to get these lights. I still got some more to go, but I got most of it out. Got all that out in the back. I can come back down through there. I didn't have a light where I could see, but I guess you can see that stuff is very hard to get to sometimes. I tell you what I've got, which leads me into this. This little thing here is what you get out of wrapping paper. It's a real hard plastic paper, and you can wind this thing in as small as you need it to be. You can expand it to the size you need it to be, and it bends. You see it bends and it conforms to a lot of those shapes. But I use these too. So anyway, I'm going to get this in here. Down here we had got it all good and clean. It's relatively clean. Hold on, let me get you a light. Getting the light's kind of tough in through here. But see, it's all the fuzz is gone, the lint. And anyway, we're going to go around to the back, and we're going to vacuum all this other stuff up. This hose, I wanted you to see how bad it was. This is the very reason you need to vacuum these things out. Look at that lint in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. That definitely is, that's bad stuff. See it down in there? It just lays in there. You need to get rid of that stuff because, like I say, it's a fire hazard. I'm going to vacuum this out, and then we're going to go and get the backside. Here's your little tip, because you're watching these videos. Got those little screws. I could not hold on to those suckers. They weren't magnetic. So I put a little duct tape on there. They hold right on then. Just another tip for you. There you go. Let's try this next one. May have to redo my tape. Y'all see there, it just falls off. I gotta redo my tape. Put that screw through the backside, the sticky side of that tape. And don't worry if you put a little hole in it, it's fine. Or a big one. Just anyway, stick it around there, see? Like that, see it? There you go, see that? There you tape off. Our Sweet Home Life got you guys. Thank you for watching our channel. All right. On to the next thing here. So as we move on to the back of the dryer, I've got the indoor vac here, And I'm going to vacuum out this end, the lower end of the dryer, as well as the dryer vent. As you can see, I've got the exhaust put back on, the flexible exhaust pipe, and the back is all buttoned down. I got to put the top back on it and go shove it back in, and then we're going to get around to the front. I'm going to put a little blowing in there. This vacuum has a blower on it, and then we're going to blow on it. Get anything that's left over out. That last screw in the back. All right. So now we're going to put a little power. We're going to turn the power back on and run it and see how it sounds and looks. I got to clean this dryer vent out also. It's caked up on that too, but this is see that stuff was, it's kind of wet today and you can't see it, but the lint was coming out down there, and I did blow some of this out with my blower. I've got a pretty good blower. The stuff that I couldn't really get to with the vacuum I had to blow out, so make sure you clean it out good, guys. Let's run it and see how it does. We'll try it dry to start with. Well, it smells okay and it sounds okay. So we'll put a load of clothes in it and we'll get going from here, guys. It's a Maytag Epic Z dryer. I don't know, it's about 15 years old, I'd say. Probably time for some new ones. But yeah, my son says, well, Dad, you can buy one a lot cheaper. Well, that might be so, but these just like cost me $19 for that pump, and a lot of a lot of how-tos, and I was able to make you a video showing you how to fix it yourself. But I'm still waiting on my pump. It's supposed to come in today. We'll let you know, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Our Sweet Home Life, we have a lot of how-to videos on there. So just go to our channel and watch our other videos. They're very helpful to you.